Hey pilots! Whoa. So now you see me. Yeah, that is the new Lipo, and we check this now, how much power this have, and I think you will be really excited of this flight. Well, see, that is the pilot. That's a fly freak today on the field.
What's up, guys?
And he fly the Stryker. Yeah. Okay, there you can see this Lipo is full. It's a 2200 milliampere 14.8 volt Lipo. And now we make the sound check. And RC Fly Free! How are you?
Fine, yeah, buddy.
Today. Okay, you see, now is the Lipo on, and that is the sound check. No?
Okay, it's okay.
I think it goes better.
It goes better.
It goes better. Let's go better. And now we try this, baby. You can see it is full. Yeah. Check it. Check. Sound check. Number 2. High C rate Lipo.
I can say you pay the ONBO-LIPOs from Shenzhen. It's very, very good.
Let the summer! No.